Okay, Bernie, hopefully you'll be able to hear all right on this, but we're going to give you a little video to show you what we're doing here. I wrote yesterday kind of a word description of what we're doing. This is going to be a video narrative of what we're doing. Anyway, this is a look at the kitchen. I'm in the family room looking toward the kitchen. And I'm going to walk over here. Let's see if I can... I'm going to come over and we're going to take a look at the beam connections here. There's two beams right here. Those are 4x10 beams, okay? So we have one that, this one that we're looking at right now spans about maybe 8 foot 2 inches. This connector right up here is it's an EPC 44, okay? That's a 4x4 post. And all we've done on the post right there is just to nail it to the framing. I've got nails about every 16 inches. Okay, 16 penny nail. Then down here at the bottom, what we have here is a ST 6224 strap. It goes from the post through the floor. I have a block. Let me get over here so you can see this. See the space between the subfloor and the girder right there? Okay? There's a block that I put right under the post there to fill in that void. And so the strap goes onto the block and then onto the 4x6 girder down below. So we have the strap covering the whole distance of the 4x6 girder. Now, let me back up a little bit here. I'm going to come back over here. There's our 4x10 beams. You can see that this is the center of the beams right here. Okay, this one goes on over and has the same setup over on this other side. That's a EPC 44 post cap right there. This post is basically just connected wherever we could get some nailing on it. All right, we're nailed down here at the plate with 4 nails. I don't have a strap right there because this wall right here, this post is sitting basically on a foundation wall. This room right here used to be a garage. It was converted, and so we have a stem wall right here. The stem wall is right here, okay? And so there's good bearing right there and solid. Okay, coming back over to the center post again. What's this cap, Mike? What's the cap that we have right here?
These are AC6Z.
This is an AC6Z, okay? It's basically, it's an easy application, lightweight post cap. But you can see we can put the beams up and then we put these caps on. There's one on each side right here, so we have 2 of them. And then we have a 4x10 hanger right there. What's the actual?
LUS 410.
That's an LUS 410 right there. And what we're going to do is we're going to put a double trimmer here, right here on the post, so that we're going to build that out 3 inches and make a column. We'll frame a column around this thing. So our column will be approximately 12 inches by 12 inches. And the same thing over there, we'll have a column that we frame around there. And then we're going to have a little system of soffits in here. We've got some cabinets, kitchen cabinets going in. And basically our cabinet's going to sit along this wall right here. And so we've created a soffit. They'll go along this wall and along that wall back over there with the uppers. And then just to kind of continue the same idea, we've made a soffit across here so we can hide that beam basically, or beef it up. And then it goes all the way across. And then in this little entry area here, I've got some lines chalked on the ceiling. And we're going to put some soffits in here too. That'll be the same width as what we have in the kitchen. Okay, so basically, I think that's pretty much the whole story here in the kitchen. The only thing that maybe wasn't real clear is looking at the girder system down below. I'm going to try and hang on one second, bring it back. I'm going to take a picture right here of the pier, the concrete pier, the little post. We got a piece of probably redwood. This house is probably built in the 50s or late 40s. anyway, you can see the connection right there is just the pier is just nailed to the block that's on top of the pier, or the post is nailed to the block on top of the pier, and then to the girder. Those piers are spaced 5 feet on center. Okay, and where you can see that we're probably about 3 feet away with this particular post right there from where the pier is. And like I said, we've basically filled in the void and strapped it. Same thing over on the center post. You can see the strap going down there. We have a 4x6 right under the subfloor, between the subfloor and the top of the girder, and the strap goes all the way down to the bottom of the girder. Okay, that's it. Okay, Bernie. Now we're back in the back room. This is actually like the master bedroom here, but I'm shooting toward the corner that we're gonna cut a closet, and Mike's pointing to the area that the closet will be cut in. And I have on the plan that I sent you, or the drawing, that would be a pocket door. We've changed that to a swinging door. It's going to swing into this room against the wall right there, and it'll be a 2.0 door. Okay, so we're basically going to put a 4x4 header in there, and the width of that closet when we cut this opening is going to be it's less than 4 feet. It's about 3 feet 6 inches inside to inside. Now what I've done is I've come into the laundry room right here, and this is basically, I'm going to shut this door. It's messing up the light here a little bit. But this is where we're going to build a wall across this area right here. It'll just be a non-bearing wall. It's going to go right across from the door right here, right on across. So that's going to be the closet setup. And there'll be a light in the center of the closet on the ceiling, and then there'll be a switch on the outside next to the door.